What you should know if you're thinking about going vegan. What can you eat? Vegan diets are plant foods only. It includes all fruits, nuts, seeds and nutmeg, fruit, grain and soy items including tofu, legumes, lentils, and peas. A vegan diet may satisfy the average individual's protein requirements and most required nutrients when planned well. Breakfast: chia pudding, oatmeal or overnight oats cooked with organic milk, almond butter or avocado on toast, or sweet potato hash are all delicious, but fairly simple vegan breakfast choices. Lunch: there are plenty of vegan lunch choices, from simple and traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to chickpea salads to Instagram-worthy Buddha baths. Dinner: ideas for dinners prepared in advance include red lentil dal, tofu stir-fry and quinoa stuffed peppers. Snacks: some snack ideas include carrots and hummus, kale chips, nut butter and oat balls, and spicy toasted chickpeas. Why are people going vegetarian? 1. Ethical vegans firmly believe that all animals are entitled to life and freedom. The psychological and physical stress that animals suffer as a result of modern farming practices is also opposed by ethical vegetables. 2. Health. For their potential health consequences, some people prefer veganism. Herbal diets, for example, can reduce your risk of heart condition, type 2 diabetes, cancer and premature death. Smaller intakes of animal products may also minimize the risk of Alzheimer's disease or death from heart or cancer. Some people often prefer veganisms to avoid the side effects of animal production with antibiotics and hormones. 3. Environment. People may also choose to avoid animal products because of the environmental impact of animal agriculture. Foods that vegans eat: beans, lentils, tofu, seitan, tempeh, nuts, seeds.